These are quadruplets. One female and 3 males. Their mother died. Born on November 26, 2017.
2017? Kanilang kaunin. Dagi kaon.